friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to cut a dragon fruit. So I washed this dragon fruit before making the video, so to wash it's super simple, just rinse it under cold running water. And now to cut it, so what I need to do first is cut off the ends, so cut off this stem. So you want to cut it, so this is not right, you need to cut it more. You want to cut it until you start seeing the inside of the dragon fruit, which is this. Look how beautiful it looks. So I'm going to do it here on the side too. So I already see it, so this is good. And now, once I cut off the ends, I'm going to cut it in half. So those seeds, they're just throughout the dragon fruit and they're totally edible. So you eat the white part and we're going to peel and throw out the red part. And let's peel it. So super easy, it just separates it from the skin. And now to slice it, real simple. Just slice it like this. If you want it smaller, you can go like that, but I like slices that are this shape. And that's it. So super easy to cut dragon fruit. The way it just looks intimidating. How am I gonna cut it? So now you know how. Very simple. And now let's try it. So excited. This is an awesome exotic fruit. Let's see what it tastes like. It's so good. It's not very sweet. It's more sour, but not super sour. It tastes super refreshing. It's very healthy and good for you. Awesome taste. Give it a try. You would love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!